Hey there, are you a dog sitter looking to get more local customers? Social media is a powerful tool that can help you grow your dog sitting business. And in just a few easy steps, you can start attracting more pet parents. Let's jump in. Step number one, choose the right platforms. First, focus on the social media platforms where pet owners are most active. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are great places to start. Instagram is perfect for showcasing cute dog photos and videos, while Facebook groups and local community pages are great for connecting with nearby pet parents. TikTok, well, it's perfect for fun, creative dog videos that can quickly go viral. Share engaging content. Next, share engaging content that shows off your dog sitting skills. Post pictures or videos of your furry clients having fun, whether it's a walk in the park or a cozy nap at your place. You can also share tips for dog care, pet safety, or training. The more engaging and relatable your content, the more people will trust you with their pets. Step number three, use hashtags. Hashtags are your best friend when it comes to getting discovered. Use popular dog related hashtags like hashtag dog sitting, pet care, or hashtag furry friends, along with location based hashtags to help potential clients in your area find you easily. At number four, we've got engage with your audience. Don't forget to interact with your followers, respond to comments, answer questions, and engage with your community. The more you show up and connect with people, the more they'll remember you when they need a dog sitter. At number five, we've got offer special promotions or discounts. Lastly, offer special promotions or discounts to encourage new clients to book with you. You could offer a discount for first-time customers or a free extra walk with every booking. A great deal will get people excited and more likely to book you for their next dog sitting need. And remember, if you don't have a website for your dog sitting service yet, now is the time to get one. Check out Mighty Sites. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a 7-day free trial available. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video. A professional website can help you stand out and make it easy for clients to book your services. Thanks so much for watching, and happy dog sitting.